So I've got this Checkmate Enticer in here, and those props I just got, I tried to, it fits on there pretty good. So I needed a prop. The boat needs cleaned up, but taking the lid off, this motor don't look too bad. Obviously needs cleaned up. The interior's molded and dried and rotten, but hell, I didn't know it still had a battery in it. So at some point, I'm going to just have somebody clean this up, all the trees and stuff, maybe use a little bit of cleaner on the upholstery, and see if I can't get it running and go play with it and figure out all the stuff wrong with it. I mean, other than being old and dirty and full of debris, it ain't too bad a shape, but it's just an old Checkmate Enticer. So I think I'm going to make it run. I'm tired of not being on the water. So if I can make this run cheaply, then I'll shake it down through the summer and then maybe make it pretty next winter. Let's try this other prop. Because that was the aluminum one. Oh yeah, that stainless go good on there. Now if it just runs. Anyway, it's a 1983 Enticer. Seen better days, but I think it's got a little 110 on it. I think it'd make me a nice little toy for the summer. There's the 21 and the hull for it over there. I'll be getting started on them this summer too. But I need to get my car trailer and go pick up my Jeep and bring it back. All right, bye.